In today's video, I'll show you how to play music offline on Spotify. To use offline listening, you need a Spotify Premium subscription, which allows you to download playlists, albums, or podcasts on mobile up to 10,000 songs per device across 5 devices. First, open Spotify on your device. Once on the home page, tap the Library tab at the bottom. Then select the playlist you want to listen to offline. At the top of the playlist, you will see a download icon. Tap it to start downloading the songs. This will only work if you have Spotify Premium, since offline downloads require a subscription. Once downloaded, you can listen to your music anytime without internet connection. And that's it. That's how you play music offline on Spotify.